Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 biggest KDP mistakes authors make when using KDP and provide you with the actionable solutions to avoid them. Before we start, do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. KDP revolutionized the world of independent publishing, offering authors a platform to share their books easily and quickly. However, making sales in this highly popular and competitive platform can be challenging, especially if you're not aware of the common mistakes that can affect your success. So, if you're ready to take your self publishing game to the next level, let's explore the 5 biggest KDP mistakes. Number 1, book cover. Contrary to popular saying, people do judge a book by its cover. The fact is, people will only click on your book if they like its cover, because besides the title, that's the only clue they have about your book. And let's be honest, who has the time and mood to read the title? I can easily say a good portion of your book sales will determine by your book cover. So it's critical to consider what your readers will be looking for and the feeling or tone of covers in your genre. So before starting your design, I recommend looking online for books in the same genre as your book. Usually your cover consists of 2 elements, title and background. Let's first discuss the background. One of the biggest mistakes you can make in a cover background is overcomplicating it. Choosing one high quality and simple image will help your reader better understand and discover your book. Remember, you only have a few seconds, if not a fraction of a second, to convert a viewer to a customer. Now for the title. Customers need to see your title as soon as they see the cover. This could be as simple as writing 2024 for your planner. First, decide if you're going to use serif or sans serif fonts. Now, I'm not going to discuss which one is better, and there's no rule which one to use. But in general, serif fonts are considered more classic or formal, and sans serif fonts are often considered more minimalist or casual. So again, browsing similar books in your genre will be a tremendous help here. Since the title is the first thing we want our customers to see, you can never go wrong with placing it in the center. It's also a good idea to utilize the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds recommends that you divide your artwork into 3 main sections, each taking up 1/3 of the cover. So your title will take up 1/3 of your cover, while the remaining 2/3 will be left open for background elements. The best solution I can give is to hire a professional cover designer in Upwork or Fiverr, or use KDP's cover creation tools to create your cover. Make sure you own the right of use for everything and anything you're using in your book, from images, fonts, and other materials. Number 2, description section. Your book description is like a sales pitch. So let's say you created a great book cover and people are clicking on your book. So the next step is that they will start reading your book description, and if it's uninteresting, unclear, or filled with errors, potential customers may lose interest. The book description should highlight your book's unique selling points and features. The good news is you can use platforms like ChatGPT to help you with this part. You can research different types of marketing models and ask ChatGPT to give you a description based on that model. For instance, let's say my book title is Picture Puzzles Spot the Difference Book for Adults. I can type, write me a description for a book titled Picture Puzzles Spot the Difference Book for Adults in STP marketing model format. Okay, let's give it a couple of seconds, and there you go. You have a great start to your description. I am by no means an expert in AI prompts, so you can word it as you like. My point is, you can use new technology to your advantage. By the way, I recently started a new channel called Learn Graphic with Anna, where I go over different graphic and creative contents in depth. If you're interested in learning different graphic softwares to improve your KDP design skills, make sure to check it out and subscribe. You can find the link down below. Number 3, formatting and editing. Typos, grammatical errors, and inconsistent formatting can result in poor customer experience and make your book look unprofessional. Books with formatting and editing issues often result in negative reviews from readers who are disappointed by the lack of attention to detail. Negative reviews will significantly impact your book's rating and deter potential customers from purchasing your book. Remember, the quality of your book has a direct impact on its long-term sales potential. So make sure to triple check your book for any typos or grammatical issues before publishing, or even hire a professional editor. Number 4, keywords and categories. To guarantee long-term sales success of your book, it needs to be shown to the right people in the right categories. In order for someone to find your book, you must add appropriate keywords in your titles so that your book shows up when someone searches that keyword. There are actually a couple of prohibited words that you cannot use in your title, and Amazon has a great resource for this. You can see it right here, and I will also link it to the description. Make sure to check it out. As a solution, research and choose relevant keywords and categories that accurately represents your book's content. This will improve its visibility in search results and increase the chance of reaching interested customers. The good news is, just like the description, you can use AI and ask ChatGPT for a sample title to get you inspired. Number 5, marketing and Amazon ads. Contrary to common belief, you can still make sales without ads organically. But relying on KDP's platform for sales without any marketing efforts often leads to disappointment. Without promotion, your book may remain unnoticed in vast sea of available titles. You can start a campaign for as little as $5 a day and see how it goes. If you're not familiar with Amazon ads, I highly recommend running an automatic targeting campaign, which is essentially telling Amazon, target the keywords Amazon thinks is the best for your book. So you're just letting Amazon to do everything for you. This is the easiest way to start, but not always the most efficient. So do your research, read and watch videos about how to run and manage Amazon ads, and adjust your ads as you get more confident. Also, don't rely only on Amazon ads. Make a marketing plan that includes social media, promotions, email marketing, author website, book reviews, and engaging with your targeted audience. Building an online presence and connecting with readers can greatly impact your book's sales. Remember, to succeed in this business, you need a mixture of appealing visuals, high-quality content, and effective marketing plan. I hope by avoiding these 5 biggest KDP mistakes, you increase your chance of success. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.